Hi everyone, we're going to do some painted symmetrical butterflies, and specifically the monarch butterfly. We've just watched a video about the migration of the monarchs and learned a little bit about the days of the dead. So here's my example, but I'm going to set that aside and show you how you're going to begin. You're first going to get a black piece of paper that's been folded in half, and I've already done mine, but you're going to get a tracer, butterfly tracer, and how you put it on there, you want to make sure it can piggyback on top of the paper. And I'm going to give you a white pencil for you to trace around just one side, and I've already jumped ahead and have done that. Then you're going to get your scissors and you're going to cut the butterfly out, and again I've jumped ahead and have done that. After that, we're going to open this butterfly up and we're going to put it inside a folded piece of white paper. We're getting ready to paint. So you're going to have a tray at your table, or an egg carton I should say, of yellow, orange, and white. And you're going to be painting with a Q-tip. So I'm going to move some things so you can see a little bit better what I'm doing. You're probably not going to see the paint in the video because it just doesn't fit in the camera. So I'm going to start with my orange on the Q-tip, and all I'm going to do is paint some orange, and I don't want to go all the way to the end of that wing, and I'm only painting on one side. I'm not painting both sides. You'll see what happens in a minute. Because a butterfly wings are symmetrical, that means they're the same on both sides. I don't have to paint both sides. You'll see in a minute what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to paint this one a little bit bigger here. I want to try to leave a little black line in the center there. And if I accidentally paint on it, that's okay. Now I'm going to come back and add some yellow. And you can see that I'm leaving this black outline. Everyone's is going to come out a little bit different, and that's what makes these look so great. And now I'm going to go down here, same thing. I'm going to paint a shape here, and then leave like a little line of black in the middle, and paint some more. And I can add some yellow because you see a bit of yellow in monarch wings too. Now I'm going to switch and get a different Q-tip, and I'm going to go into the white, and just on the edge here I'm going to paint some white dots. So that one's kind of big, but I can also do some smaller ones right along the edge. And the same thing here. I don't have to make them all over the edge. Alright, so I think that's pretty good. So now I'm going to take this side, and I want to make sure that I'm folding it right in half and then close it. So this white paper is just to keep your hands neat. And then I'm going to open this up. Hopefully it turned out nice. And you can see where the paint squished out a bit. That's okay. And open it up. Oops, I got to open this wing. And then ta-da, there's my monarch. And I can take it off the white paper. And if you get one done, you can go ahead and do a second.